Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control in your BMW 4 Series. First, locate the cruise control buttons, typically on the left side of your steering wheel. You'll find buttons for setting your speed, resuming a previous speed, and canceling the system. Familiarizing yourself with these controls is the first step to a more relaxed drive. We'll cover each function in detail. To set your desired speed, first accelerate to the speed you wish to maintain. Once there, simply press the Set button on your steering wheel. Your BMW will now hold that speed. If you need to adjust, use the plus or minus buttons to increase or decrease your speed in small increments. This allows for precise control without constantly pressing the accelerator. If you temporarily disengage cruise control, perhaps to pass another vehicle, you can easily return to your last set speed by pressing the Resume button. To cancel cruise control, simply press the Cancel button or lightly tap your brake pedal. For models with adaptive cruise control, you can also adjust the following distance to the vehicle ahead using dedicated buttons. While cruise control offers convenience, always remain attentive to the road and traffic conditions. It's crucial to be ready to take manual control at any moment. Avoid using cruise control in heavy traffic on winding roads or during adverse weather like heavy rain or snow. And for those longer journeys, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.